Chapter 43 and 44 states Aisha Charita, Baba passing away on preparation, Samadhi Mandir breaking of the break, sounded hours of Samadhi, jokes, sanyas, Baba and Atolic quotes. Chapter 43 and 40 contains story of passing away and therefore represented together previous preparation. It is a general practice among the Hindus that when a man is about to die, he finds riches are to him, observing the mind to show the veteran, worldly than fixed spiritually matters to the future progress in natural easy. For example, when King Parikshada's cursed by the son of a Brahmin Rishi was about to die in week, the great Suka exposed the famous Bhagavad Puran during that week. His practice continued followed Bhagavad Gita and others continued reading to dying persons. Being Baba being incarnate to solve has to set an example to people follow the practice. When he learned pass away soon, he ordered Mr. to the wrong which had to him Mr. to read the book once and then Baba asked him to read the same and day and night. He finished the second reading three books. Thus 11 days passed and again he read the 3 days was excess. Baba let him go and get to himself. Here was self and was in the last moment 2 or 3 days before Baba stopped his morning pregnancy. Begging ground suggests that in the Masjid first constant the last advising the devotees not to lose heart, you not to lose the time of Deepacha conversation, Shaman Guru Sabatubi Masjid, then October 15th after Aarti. He asked them to Guru Granth supporting Shama remote status from myself Lakshmi Pashande. Moses in the after giving the 9 request Lakshmi Pashande, he did not want to fill the Masjid that he should be taken the other body of their audit saying all these words he learned to be Vajar and breath external. Has noticed that Baba breathing would stop immediately. He noticed that Baba breathing had stopped immediately. Told Nanasamugu, who was sitting below Nanasamugu, some water into my bosom, but struggled backward. He cried aloud, they were the Mount Baba from the openness and say, in low tone. But soon began evident Baba left his body for a god. Reading 1 second. Saying all this loudly, he leaned on Babaji's body and breathed his last. Babaji noticed that breathing had stopped immediately. Told Nanaji he was sitting below with some water. And Baba rippled out back. He cried a little. They were the moment Baba appeared to open his eye and say, and lantern, but it is soon to become evident Baba has left the body for good. The news of Baba passing spread like a wildfire. The village study and children to Masjid began on the loss of very sweet, but cried out Lara was one in the street, fell down senselessly. Taste answer went smoother than sorrows. People start remembering words of Sai Baba. On one side, Siddhi Maharaj Sai Baba told his daughter the time to conclude appeared to last over 8 years. There have been coincidence no one should doubt him in this Krishna Avatar Chakrapani performed. Where did Krishna the last 8 years red complexioned unwielding weapons in his forums appeared before him in presence. In the incarnation, Lord Shiva, light and burden of light, Nankatna Sai Baba, Kaslivotis, there is no reason for all the Rasa, sense and person. Its contract of Sai duty is not only generation, existential last 72 generations, thus generation takes of great love, Sai Baba, Santam Kilekon, his devotees for the incarnate again. The question then of how to dispose of his human mobilized body to remain open space, to even Kulchand Amir Shah shared this opinion that Ramachandra Patel offered declared the form determinacy proportional exercise Baba should be placed in Vada. People were divided. The discussion were point on 3 to 6 hours. Paying due respect Baba was people deserted to place his body in Vada. Started in the central portion. There the sub-inspector from the authority state came from a place in our proposal. Next moment, Amitabh came from Bombay. The Gurukha from the people seems divided their opinions. Some insisted entering his body open played. The then took a general Lushna found that the proposal was a secured double number of votes. However, he wanted to refer the matter of collector of Mudas of election prepared to go. That same day, Wednesday morning, Baba and the Lakshman and Joseph and drawing his same get up on the things and did. So you won't come. Hiru Akshap and Kalkadamarthi Lakshman Mama was in the villages with them. Matron Dr. Shama, he was Orthodox Mama, Ushri Baba daily morning after his Akshap and Bodas. Whereas deities have full faith in Baba after the vision came, Baba need to push materials, not mind in the protesting. Puja Arti due to formalities after Lakshman finished in the plan. Baba Joe came and through the Nonarti as usual. In Milton Baba inspiration change in opinion, the people voted proposal for the By Wednesday evening, body was taken to procession bottom with the internally formality Garba, the central portion reserved for Muralitha. In fact, Baba became a holy temple. Polish and observant will be performed. Upasana great devotee of Baba, the Shivan Uruvada, Tatra blessed with Baba body. Many devotees found peace, no living continues to present. It may be noticed observe the professor Nagar Baba body did not stay over the export 36 hours. All the limbs remained elastic, so his coffin could remove without being torn into pieces. Breaking the bricks a few days before Baba departure, only patient even occurred which followed. There was a old brick in the Muslim which supported Baba rested center at this night. He learned against it and his Hazar. They were this one for many years. One day during Baba's absence, the boy was sweeping the floor, picked up in the hand, unfortunately slipping the fell down, broke into two pieces. When Baba found it about it, he woman at last crying. It is not a broken fate, it has been broken into pieces, but it has been my life companion, always meditated on self, it was a dear to my life, it has been today. Some people upon hearing the error might ask questioning why should Bob accept the beginning time with option. I am put replace the sun can express the Musha saving poor helpless people, thus embody himself mixing acts may form and folk outwardly laughing, playing, inwardly remind about the duties and missions. Started House of Samadhi. 32 years before this, I 1886. Baba made an attempt to cross the border line. Once Magasimburli, Baba suffered from severe attack of asthma. Took it to Baba desert, took his from high and go to Samadhi. He told Bhagat Manasa, protect my body for 3 days. If I return, we will if not, bury my body on the open land and fix two flags mark. So Baba fell down at 10 p.m. His breathing sounds was his pulse, seems like his prana left his body. Every influence came down on some powerful inquest about the buried body and pointed out Baba. But prevent hormonal control within the body on his lap set for 3 full days guarding it. After the class, Baba showed the signs of life at 3 a.m. His breathing commanded abdominal legs to begin. His opened eyes and stretching and Baba conscious life again. From this another computer consequence Baba was a 3.5 pulpits. The body up in the some 80 years which has been after removed with an absolute the body composed of five human process and transparency everything is immortal. The pure being consciousness in Brahma, ruler, controller the sense of mind, the sense of sight. It is such as Ajna, providing all the things in the fill in the space to fulfill his mission on earth. Baba seemed to be a body having sense cast and the cast. This I ever lays us to previous incarnation of God that Sri Narashima Sarasar Abhinapur Baba passing is only outward aspect but also provides an innate and inventor and control in our own body. This is experienced by those who surrounded themselves worship and volunteers, and though it is not possible to Baba form now, he is beautifully quoted Abham Hasted. This image has been drawn by Shamraj Jacob, the famous and short story of Baba. The imagination and the respected since of evolution darshan after all the body left his voice conscious being pure continue to exist is true. Protecting and for duties assumed in the scholar science like Baba never die, even though they look like when they are relating God himself. Babu Shah chosen as Hambadhan closest chapter of the account of Babu chosen as Sankaran Hari. Sandra Samila famous Vikari was a job of Purna after the return from the government service as a superior. PW department came to university with why 1909 here no issues both husband by cloud is shipping by serving the after mega set website. Did Artino Masnadin Shauri Pagase he was also interested in explaining the generation of Bhagatu audience in Satyavada after serving money as a job as Baba. I served you for a long and yet my stillness not come and composed. How it contained the science has not improved me. When you'll be blessed me hearing the Bhakta's prayer, Baba, in due time your bad actions there will be destroyed, your merits and demons will be reduced to ashes. I consider you blessed me once attachment compared, getting rid of impotence to all letters was begging balls and after sometimes Baba watched him to the wife preceded him and asked her to no other attachment became free. Accepts and as before receiving release of gold. Baba nectar like words. The kind and merciful of Baba said many times so soon the Master he who loves him always sees me the whole as a result of the me. He tells my story, but Malik is not meditates upon me, always champion him. I feel him to me who surrounds him completely. I shall repay his debt by saying, salvation, sovereign, independent, who thanks hungers after me, who does nothing first time who those comes and becomes with me. Just river reaches the sea, becomes more soon. So living with the pride, he goes in with us, no trust me, you should remember with me. One shader with their heart. Oh, this is me. Sweep explained money. Oh, this is me. He said, you need not to go for any was also. He was bearing a name and form that is existence and sense of me was his own. This is myself knowing me inside will for being all things. If you practice your impression as in the certain one sense of behavior, but then therefore makes one both the reader and request somebody reviewing the God. Father admitted also respect the God in the forms and sense and duty. Baba often say who comes and calls him and praise me in the heart. But he suffers and it does please me most.